Spare parts are the quiet foundation of every reliable drilling operation. RigNexis supplies oilfield spare parts and consumables for drilling rigs, mud pumps, BOP units, and solids control systems. For mud pumps, we can support liners, pistons, valves, seats, modules, rods, gaskets, and other expendables matched to pressure and service conditions. For BOP service, critical parts include annular packing elements, ram blocks, seal kits, bonnet seals, and control components. For solids control, we supply shaker screens, hydrocyclones, pump parts, centrifuge wear parts, and tank fittings. Routine rig support can include bearings, belts, chains, valves, hoses, gauges, filters, fasteners, and electrical components. Send part numbers, photos, drawings, or equipment models. RigNexis helps confirm fit, quote quickly, and keep your operation moving.